Cockroach, robot that I'm creating. This is an embedding of aluminum, which is not magnetic. This is nickel neodymium. Nickel neodymium resides at the center, while the two aluminum and copper coil are localized on the side for electromagnetism. The repulsive force will remove the nickel neodymium to displace the nickel neodymium and cause motion up and back and forth through the phase point of the wire, the coil, induction coil, which will cause movement when receiving, establishing a charge. My idea is synchronizing this through a magnetic sensor. Using magnetic sensors and a capacitor and the resistors to create electrical energy, more electrical energy induction, so that it would flow wirelessly without so many modulars for a controller. Now, as of the wings to get it flying, I'm creating this plastic bot into replicating coil and also aluminum coil. The permanent magnet shall be fixed within the aluminum coil. And forth. This is designed as a river. These are not individual coils. This is one coil spooled into sections of 10. The coil is reversed up and down. So the winding here is different from the winding here. And the winding still in the following is different. Up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up. The phase point of the coil will cause the winding energy to attract. And the phase point of the coil winding energy, electrical energy, will cause it to repel, attract to repel, so it can hold it in place and fix it in proximity. Now, as of the hole that I have here, effect, like magnetic suspension, there's two coils localized here. There's an actual three on the one on the other side. The two coils are winding in different directions, depending on the phase point of the wire. Now the wings will be the same, done in aluminum, bearing nickel neodymium rods within the center, and these will enable the flap. My plan is to apply the nickel neodymium in a thin film, the coiling the same assembly and likenesses in aluminum, bearing nickel neodymium magnets. And the repulsive force shall cause the aluminum to levitate up and down, whereas the cockroach in flight will travel this way. The head will be too heavy for him, so it will go in an angle, a pitch of an angle as either 30 degrees, flapping in the air. Now, that is the part and segments that I'm incorporating together to create this robotic design. My name is Jermaine Morton. Have a nice day.